Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering down the keyboard so you don't short anything. This protects the circuitry and prevents accidental pairing. Once off, flip it and find the battery compartment or the hinge where the cover releases. Apple models vary, so look for a latch or sliding cover. Have the correct replacement batteries or your lightning cable ready and clear a flat workspace. As you work, keep small screws and covers in one spot so you don't lose them during the change. Once the cover is open, remove any screws if present. Use a proper screwdriver to avoid stripping heads. Carefully pry the compartment open. Apply gentle, steady pressure to avoid snapping plastic tabs. When the old batteries sit exposed, lift them straight out so you don't damage contacts. Note the plus and minus orientation because reinstalling incorrectly prevents power flow. If you see corrosion, clean contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol before installing new cells to ensure reliable connection. Place fresh batteries into the compartment aligning the plus and minus markings. Press them into the contacts so they sit flush, then snap or screw the cover back in place to prevent rattling. Reconnect Bluetooth or plug in the lightning cable and turn the keyboard on. You should see a pairing light or device appear on your host system. If the keyboard fails to power, make sure batteries are seated, clean contacts, try different cells, and perform a keyboard reset. This sequence resolves most remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.